You can literally vacuum your ceiling fan with this thing. You can also vacuum under things. You can even vacuum like this if you want to. And it's even got a home that charges it and it self-empties into. So this is the Shark Clean and Empty. You can use it as a regular vacuum, a handheld vacuum, or a taller handheld vacuum. It has a great anti-tangle brush roll, floor detect mode, so it automatically senses the type of floor you're on and adjusts the settings as needed. 3 different modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost. Battery level indicator. And you get 3 great attachments, including the dust brush to do your ceiling fans. Truly a great, extremely versatile, high quality cordless vac from Shark. So if you want to grab one of these, I'll put a link right down there so you can.